Welcome to our March-April episode of From the Lens. In this special episode we focus on Sydney's electric trains from the 70s through to the end of the Red Rattlers in the 90s. We also give an update on what's coming up in the channel over the next few episodes. Sit back and enjoy. During March and April we'll be focusing on Broken Hill with a trip from Sydney and back, including the XPT, Silver City Comet and the Indian Pacific. We'll also take an extensive look at the rail yard itself with a few episodes centred around A&R and Silverton Railways. This month we'll also be introducing a new set of videos taken by Agent Morty, who has taken some great videos of the steam and freight around New South Wales for the last 20 years or so, as well as steam from overseas. Some really good narrow gauge stuff for the Rockies coming up. While we're watching this interesting footage of the zoo train, I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank all of my subscribers for enjoying my channel with me and all of the great comments on social media. I really do appreciate you guys. The channel's a bit of a passion of mine now, and I'm happy that all you guys are along for the ride with me. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I will be posting some up-to-date videos on the current rail events where I can, and also to give me a follow on Instagram. You might get some sneak previews of what's coming up on the channel. And if there's any photos that have caught your eye during this video, they are available for purchase. Thanks again, and thanks for watching.